Welcome, dear all. Little Girls Wiser Than Old People is a short story by Leo Tolstoy. Tolstoy was a Russian author. Tolstoy was regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He was a novelist, short story writer, essayist, and playwright. Tolstoy, best known for the novel War and Peace. A novel by Tolstoy is not a work of art but piece of life. Our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi was greatly influenced by Tolstoy through his book The Kingdom of God is Within You. Both Gandhi and Tolstoy adapted the idea of love to solve the problems of life. Martin Luther King, the another big name, was also influenced by Tolstoy. Let us see what happens. Look at this stanza. It was an early Easter. In the yards lay snow and rills ran down the village. A large puddle had run down from a manure pile into a lane between two farms. And at this puddle, two girls, one older than the other, had met. Both of them had been dressed by their mothers in new clothes. The little girl had a blue dress and the elder a yellow one with a design. Both had their heads wrapped in red kerchiefs. The time in the story is early Easter. What is Easter? Easter is a festival of Christians. Easter is an old word. Easter is celebrated in many countries. At the beginning of springs, Christians celebrates Easter. Easter is always a Sunday. In this festival, there is church services, there is family meals, there is Easter egg decoration, gift giving, and all that. At the beginning of spring, still there is a melting snow laid down the streets, sledging just over. There was a village, Akulka and Malasha, two girls from different houses go outside to play. Akulka is older and Malasha is younger. Akulka and Malasha had been dressed by their mothers in new clothes. Akulka had a yellow dress and Malasha had a blue dress. Both wrapped their heads by handkerchiefs because of the cold weather. Move towards next stanza. After prayers in the church, the two girls went to the puddle where they showed their new garments to each other and began to play. Look at this word, puddle. It means collection of dirty water. And they wanted to plash in the water. Look at this word, plash. Plash means to hit the water. What you call it in Marathi, Sintode. The little girl started to go into the puddle with her shoes on, but the older girls said to her, next line, don't go, Malasha, your mother will scold you, and I will take off my shoes and you do the same. Here, Akulka suggested Malasha to remove their shoes to save her from her mother's anger. Look at this word scold. Scold means anger. The girls took off their shoes, raised their skirts, and walked through the puddle toward each other. Malasha stepped in up to her ankles and said, it is deep, Akulka, I am afraid. Never mind, she replied. It will not be any deeper. Come straight toward me. They come closer to each other. Akulka said, Malasha, look out and do not splash it up, but walk softly. They stepped up towards each other, and when they come close to each other, Akulka asks Malasha to walk carefully and not splash water. She had barely said that when Malasha plumped her foot into the water and bespattered. Look at this word, bespattered. This is the synonyms, splash and bespattered. Akulka's new dress, and not only her dress, but also her nose and eyes. When Akulka saw the spots on her dress, she grew angry at Malasha and scolded her and ran after her and wanted to strike her. Malasha was frightened and, seeing what trouble had been caused, jumped out of the puddle and ran home. Look at this picture. Here, this is Malasha and this is Akulka. Due to Malasha, Akulka's dress and her body got dirty due to this puddle. So Akulka wanted to strike her. Strike means to beat, to hit her. Akulka got angry on Malasha as her dress got dirty. Hence Akulka scolded Malasha and wanted to beat her. That's why Malasha ran home. Students, the story comes on an interesting mode, and this remaining story we will see in the next part.